I'm Dave Eilers. I am an adjunct faculty member at the Whitman School of Management, and we're going to talk about getting your technology ready for the market.
Welcome, and thank you for taking this journey with me on technology commercialization, a scientist's perspective.
The field of use clause is less important, I think, on the product design license because the product design inherently defines the field of use.
The most important part is your opening. Make sure that you can do that at a moment's notice and tell people exactly what field you're in and what makes you unique.
Then what you really do is you try to allocate that profit among all the business assets that are deployed to generate the profit.
What is your team? What's your mission, vision, goals? Are you saying true to them? What's the culture you want to create for your company?